unboxing video. I've already unboxed it, otherwise I wouldn't be able to review the products because these are the products I'm using for the first time. और उसके साथ और भी एक सरप्राइज है आप लोगों के लिए, जो कि है एक छोटू सा पर्पल हॉल। क्यों मैं नायका और पर्पल एक साथ मतलब हॉल कर रही हूँ, उसका भी एक रीज़न है जो आप लोगों को वीडियो देखने से पता चल जाएगा। एंड यस, डू यू गाइज see any sort of changes in the background? So I'll obviously let you guys know about it as well. Anyways, it's a huge haul, so without wasting much time, let's get started. First I had the Naturals Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar cleansing water. This is the box, you can see. And since I'm already using this product, it's been almost 5-6 days I'm already using this product. The first good thing about this product is they are giving 25 cotton pads free with this. So if you are buying only the micellar water, that is of 125 ml, it will cost you 170 according to Nykaa, but the MRP is 175, so 5 रुपए का बचत. And the next thing is, if you are only buying the bottle, it will also cost you 170, and if you are only buying the and if you are buying this pack, you are also getting 25 cotton packs free along with it. So that's a win-win situation, I guess. Now the micellar cleansing water, it removes makeup in just one swipe. That's what it claims in its box, like in the packaging. I like the packaging, it's quite pinky, and yeah, the first thing is it's so effective, it's so easy and so gentle, and there's no alcohol, so it is very suitable for sensitive. So I would suggest कि this is quite good. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है क्योंकि आप एक बार वाइप कर लोगे तो मेकअप, तो जो आपका रेगुलर मेकअप है वो एक वाइप से, फर्स्ट वाइप से ज़रूर निकल जाएगा. That I can vouch for. And if you are using like some high-end products, because since I have already showed in my last video, I use MAC foundation. So उसमें क्या था कि MAC जब मैंने यूज़ किया था, I actually used this for 3 times to remove the complete makeup because it's quite heavy and quite pigmented MAC. But if you're going for some low budgeted foundation, I guess it would get removed within one use. So you can go for it. Now moving on to the next product is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So I would say that earlier I always used the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I actually liked it a lot. I wanted to reorder it again, but one of my friends actually suggested me to go for this finishing powder. I guess I got it in a box, but since I've already used, I don't know, I might have lost the box, I'm not finding it. But this is the product, you can see. I'm in the shade 25 medium. And the packaging is classy enough, I guess. You can open it like this, and that's where you get all the powder. And you need a brush because you are not given any sort of applicator along with it. They do not provide you with a puff or anything like the compact. Now the product, what it claims to be, is a mineral based formula, helps control shine and smooth skin texture, lightweight, translucent coverage, fresh and natural look, can be used alone or over foundation. So my review regarding this product is, I haven't used it along with the foundation, or I mean over the foundation. I have used it alone. Even now when I'm sitting, I have used this product, just this product, no concealer, no foundation, no BB cream, nothing. But I cannot feel that I haven't used the foundation. It gives such a good coverage. It's really awesome, I would say. But the price is quite on the higher range. Yeah, the MRP of this product is $695, but when I got it from Nykaa, I got it for 678 rupees. This is much better than that Fit Me Compact. Compact is a different formula and a different thing, obviously, but this is also, I would say, equally or much better. So thank you my friend for suggesting me this. She might be watching my video and she'll know. So now moving on to my next product is the pack blender, makeup blender. So this is the pack makeup blender. Actually, you know what, I have got this in the size mini. So you get it in 2 pieces. Now just for you guys sake, the blenders are really very tiny. This is the actual size you get in the packet. So even when I got this, I was quite, you can say disappointed, because earlier when I used a makeup blender that was of Nykaa, it was quite huge, like almost double the size. But pack is actually famous for blenders and makeup brushes. The range is quite higher, but I think it does justice to the price. Because now, for this video, I actually did you can say experiment. I just put this in the water and I just saw how it got inflated. You can see the difference in sizes. So I guess this size, after you moist it with water, I guess it's decent enough to use. The people with small faces like me can actually go for it. It's quite handy, easy to carry, easy to store and everything. And yeah, the MRP for the product was 285, but I got it from Nykaa. So guys, actually I have a lot more products to talk about, and I think the video is getting quite longer. And those products that I have ordered, the rest of the products that I have ordered from Nykaa are from the same brand. So I guess I should make a different video for that product, for that range of products, so you get a clearer view, because the video is getting quite longer and it will be boring for you guys to watch a long video. Now I would move on to my छोटू Purplle haul. So let's see what's there. और यहाँ पे आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन भी है, सो देखते रहिए. Now the point is, I ordered 3 products from Purplle. You saw that I ordered a Fit Me loose powder. As I said, I needed a brush for it, and I'm a person who does not do eye makeup, who does not use lots of brushes for my makeup. I do it mostly with a makeup blender, the foundation. I do the minimal makeup that people can do. So I don't have brushes. I haven't used any sort of brushes till date. So I thought, since I've ordered loose powder, I need a brush for that. So when I was checking out Nykaa and I found out the brushes of Wet n Wild, I saw that it cost me $2.99. So suddenly something struck my mind and I thought of checking out Purplle as well for the same product. And when I checked out Purplle, there was a quite difference in price. There was I won't say a huge, but there was the same product with less price. So now I'll show you what are those products. I've ordered Wet n Wild fan brush. This is the fan brush for applying highlighter. And I have ordered a blush brush. So this is the blush brush of Wet n Wild. I ordered it for my loose powder. And as you can see, just look at it. The way it looks soft, it is equally soft when you apply it all over your face. I did it. I have already applied it twice and thrice for my Fit Me loose powder, and it is so good. I feel like just slipping off while applying this. So it's really nice on your skin. It really feels really good on your skin. So this is the thing. And now the difference in the prices. Nykaa has got the same products, like the fan brush was not available when I searched for it in Nykaa, but this brush, the blush brush, or you can say the powder brush, was available in Nykaa for rupees 299. And when I checked in Purplle, I got it for 224 rupees. So that's really good about Purplle. I was really happy that I at least thought of once checking out Purplle, because I haven't yet shopped. This was my first shopping from Purplle. One more information. So I've always gone for Nykaa because Nykaa has a huge variety of products, and whatever I use I get it from Nykaa only. But this time Purplle really amazed me. So these are the two products I got. Okay. Honest confession, the fan brush is still in its packet. I haven't used the fan brush yet. I'll obviously use it, and if in any of the videos I get to review this, I'll obviously do that. I think it will be good. And the next thing was the Bella cotton pads. Bella cotton pads, this is a 80 pieces packet. So this packet, this is also available in Nykaa. But this was available in Nykaa for 119 or 109 rupees. I might be wrong. I'm confused between 109 or 119. So this was the pack, but I got it from Purplle for 101 rupees. So again, a lesser price in Purplle. So why not go for Purplle? So these are the three products I got from Purplle. And this is just a tip for you guys, that if you are ordering something that is available in both the sites, both the apps, so I would suggest you please check the prices for your products in both the sites, and then you can go for it. जो भी जितना भी कम होगा उतना ही अच्छा. And this this wall sticker was for only 165 rupees. And I got it, and it really looks really nice actually. I haven't expected this view, but I'm really pleased. I got it from Amazon. I'll give the links with all the makeup products in the description box for you guys to check out. मतलब ये actually क्या था? I was actually planning, since this is a new house for us, we have shifted recently. I wanted to decorate it, and as like बहुत सब लोग ऐसा कुछ अगर आपको वॉल पे लगाना है तो आप लोग वॉल हैंगिंग ही ढूंढते हो. तो मैं भी वॉल हैंगिंग ढूंढ रही थी, and suddenly I got hold of this in Amazon, and I thought why not try this out. So this was it. I've ordered one more spatial wall sticker. I'll show you in my next video. अभी तक वो मेरे पास डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है, वो उसको आने के बाद I'll make a video again. So this अगर आप लोग wall hanging के लिए जाते हो तो that will cost you almost around 500, not less than 500. 500 is the minimum amount I'm speaking. So this was just for 165, and it looks really great. You guys can try this if you guys have recently shifted to somewhere, or you guys want to decorate your room. You can absolutely go for it. And if you guys really did, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe me, and do share it with all your friends.